First time Google Assistant is meeting a screen. You're taking a look at the first two devices on the market. These are the Lenovo smart displays that'll come in 8-inch and 10-inch versions this summer. This will go for $199 and you're looking at $249 here. There's some key differences between these two units, but they both pack 10 watts of power with 2 stereo speakers, and they have very unique designs, unlike the boxy and bulky Amazon Echo Show. These are things that I'd actually want to have in my kitchen. So you can use it both in portrait and landscape mode, and I really love the bamboo finish on the 10-inch version. The 8-inch version has a soft touch finish similar to some of the Chromebooks that are out there, but they're both pretty stylish. The other thing that I really like and appreciate is on the right-hand side here, you can see that there's this little shutter for the privacy if you don't want the camera on, which is really nice, and you have the same option for the microphone as well. When it comes to controlling smart home devices, you can do things like, "Hey Google, show me the kids' room."
Sure, streaming the kids' room on Kitchen Smart Display.
And you can see right here, you have the Nest camera feed right there. And then we'll start streaming right there, and I'm sure other partners will be coming online. The other thing you can try is, "Hey Google, show me relaxing music."
I found a few stations.
And you can either say or just tap in to start playing music.
All right, here's the Google Play music station called Oh Slow Jams.
At any time you can go back to the home screen just by swiping in from the left, and it'll keep playing right there. So overall, the smart display looks pretty promising, and we like the way that Google Assistant is being brought to touch displays. Stay tuned for our full review of this device when it comes out this summer. For Tom's Guide, this is Mark Spoonhour.